In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find instructional videos and tutorials that are available when the librarian is not available and you just want some extra help to learn how to do the stuff on your own. Under the Research tab, go to Research Guides. Scroll down a little bit and go to Leadership and Policy and click on the Leadership and Policy Doctoral Program. From the dark tabs here, take a look at the link Database Tutorials, and you will notice that beginning your research, wherever there's a little warning sign, this is EBSCO and ProQuest, and reading and working with citations. Then there's the links to the databases themselves, but when you click on the tutorials, just resize the window, and what happens is you will see all of the directions in the small window. So using the library homepage, scroll towards the bottom of the website and find our quick links. There it is. Find EBSCO in the list and click on it. Okay, so that's the instructional videos. There's also a couple different videos that are available. There's even one on the Lit Review Workshop that Martha and I have put together from the Writing Center. Additionally, if you go back to the library homepage, under the Faculty tab, go to the Library Instruction Program, and this is what I put together for faculty, but you might be interested in online instruction. Some are offering. There's learning modules, which I just showed you with the guide on the side, as well as instructional videos. And this is pretty much everything that we have. So this is a quick overview. Please let me know if you have additional questions. Thanks.